Shares and share capital. Share capital is the amount of money contributed by owners and shareholders for the furtherance of objectives of the company for which it was created. Some important terms related to share capital are authorized capital, registered capital, or nominal capital. This is maximum amount of capital that can be raised by company. This is disclosed in the memorandum of association. Issued capital is the part of authorized capital which is offered for subscription. Subscribed capital. It is that part of issued capital that represents the face or nominal value of shares subscribed by investors. Called up capital. It is the portion of subscribed capital that the directors require the shareholders to pay on the shares allotted to them. Paid up capital. The amount of called up capital which has been actually paid by the shareholders is referred to as paid up capital. Reserve capital. Suppose a company may decide by special resolution that a certain portion of its uncalled capital shall not be available for being called up except in the event and for the purpose of liquidation. Such a portion is called reserve capital. Let's understand it with a simple illustration. A limited company has been incorporated with an authorized capital of $1 million, divided into 100,000 shares, equals $10 for each shares. Further, a company's promoter offered 90,000 shares for subscription by the public, and out of these 90,000 shares, 85,000 shares were subscribed.
A company has called up $6 per share, and the amount called up has been paid by shareholders immediately. Now we are required to show the information as required to be shown in the schedule of share capital for the company.
Now, let's find out the solution. We need to make table for better understanding. Let's start with the serial number, numbers or shares, share price, share capital. A. Authorized capital, 100,000 shares, $10 for each share, $1 million. B. Issued capital, 90,000 share, $10 for each share, $900,000. C. Subscribed capital, 85,000 shares, $10 for each share, $850,000. D. Called up capital, 85,000 shares, $6 for each share, $510,000. E. Paid up capital, 85,000 shares, $6 for each share, $510,000.
Thank you for watching, guys. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and leave your valuable advice below. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss an update, and share it with your friends.